Now, for the coordinator, the email may most likely come into your clutter. It will not appear in the inbox. That's what happened to me. So if you click on this email, right, which states that the supervisor has submitted the report for this individual. Kindly review, approve, and sign. So scroll below to comment. So you look through this information, right? And you can review all these feature, satisfactory, mortality audit, and then the comment by the supervisor, average candidate, pass, and if you as a coordinator, you click this button to provide your comments. Now you can sign here. This is the coordinator signature and your comments. All right. What do I write in? Okay. Progress noted. That's all. Nothing much to say. Complete. That's all for the coordinator. Finally, we'll come to the head of department. So when the head of department opens his email, you will find this that the coordinator, phase 1, phase 2, or phase 3 has sent you the individual's assessment for HOD action for review and signature. So similarly, you scroll down to comment just like the coordinator. The process is the same. Right. And then there is this comment penyelaras progress noted. So now it's time for the head of department's comment. Now I'm not sure what you're going to write, but I guess the signature, it says for, noted for filing, maybe. Click on complete. That's it.